Hello guys, welcome to QWOP Education, and this is our ninth video of the free SEO series. And welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to study about business listing and importance of business listing and how business listing is done. So let's begin. In the previous class, we had studied about what is profile creation in search engine optimization and importance of profile creation in search engine optimization, and the third thing is steps for creating a profile online. In this class we are going to study practically what is business listing in SEO. So basically business listing are public profiles that can be viewed by anyone. A typical business listing contains name, address, phone numbers and details. So when you list your business, you have to give your name, address, phone number and many more things, such as at what time your office opens and at what time it closes, what is your background, and much more things which is needed in your business. You have to give it online. In business listing, you also have to give advanced details such as website working hours, and also captured by the certain business listing. A business should include its information on various platforms and directories with which they can be found everywhere on the internet. So the basic means of using business listing is your reach will be increased due to the clarity of your business. Clarity means you will give the mobile, you will give the address, you will give the email address, all these things at a one place. So no of your customers will directly, no of the customer will directly be backed by the business or the type of business, or they won't be confused that of what business you are doing and what is the purpose of your business. So if a client or a customer visits your site through the business listing, he will get each and every details, location or the products, all these things at one place, which will make your website or make your business list very much clear. Next thing is, what is the importance of business listing in SEO? So in search engine optimization, the business listing helps the users to find more concentrated products or services for them. As we have discussed, that it is a clear means of doing business online, especially in digital marketing place. You also need business listing because the business listing will allow the users to see each and every details, not a single details like website URL or categories will be left in the business listing, which will help you and as well as your customer to make the clear and make the idea clear about your business. So next thing is, an entry in a business listing is important on the point of view for search engine optimization or SEO. This makes the site much easier to find and create an additional backlink. So when a customer or when a viewer views your website, it can just directly click the link from that business listing site, and it will redirect to your website or to the SEO website or to your direct website URL, which will help you to generate a lot of organic traffics. The next thing is, how we will do a business listing. So we'll see also practically and also we'll see. So first of all, likewise, we have to search top business listing sites in your browser, and you must note here that you must go for the higher authority, as we have discussed before, domain authority and page authority page, or you can also search top business listing sites with high DA and PA, domain authority and page authority. So next you have to give business name or title. Always use your real world business name in this field, as we have already discussed that it is going to help you in a clear cut business. So you must give the real name in your real world business name in this field. You have to give your address, you have to give your phone number, you have to give the website URLs, you have to specify the categories, you can also give descriptions, you can also give the tagline of your business, such, such as if you are selling laptops, you can share the best laptops or the best thing you get from us, like likewise some taglines. And you can also share your social profiles such as Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, etc. Next, we will see how to do business listing online. So first of all, we have to see the that particular site. I have already taken here a site, indiabusinesstoday.in. You can search in Google or in your respective web browser, and you can take anyone you want. Though indiabusinesstoday.in has the high domain authority and page authority, I choose this one. So let's do it. First of all, you have to click here in my account, and here you will see sign in or forgot your password and enter your username, password, etc. I have to click on create an account, where I will show my display name, which is QWOP education, my company name, then my respective email. Then I have to choose my username, scope edu, then with my mobile number and the password. Format, then giving the captcha and click on register. So now my business ID is created. Next, we will see what are the rules for business listing. So you have to submit your business in 2 business listing sites weekly. You can do more than that, but you have to submit at least 2 business listing sites, and you must save the username and passwords of that particular business listing sites which you have provided with for further use, and you also have to add the photos like your profile picture or your logo image so that it will be clearly visible that this is your company, and which we can say that it can be the identity of your company. And you go for or optimize for voice search. In further classes we will see how voice search or audio submission works, and the most important thing is replying to the customer reviews. So in this class we studied about what is business listing in search engine optimization, what is the importance of business listing in search engine optimization, how do you do a business listing, and rules for business listing. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you subscribe to our channel and like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.